Hello guys, that is microwave. Is the platinum microwave. So this microwave, we are going to check if it is working. If not, I plug it and then nothing shown, so it means that the microwave has burned. So I'm going to take out, then take screws out. I begin to check the problem. Here, followers, we are going to check what happened in that microwave. First thing, we have to check the fuse. Here, I can show you where is the power supply. In that power supply, the fuse is bent. Yeah? I can show you the fuse. It looks is bent. As you saw, this is fuse, so the fuse is gone. So followers, now the first we have to check if it is working or not. Another thing you can do, you can unplug magnetron. I can show you magnetron is that one. So I can take plier and take out the wires. So I'm going to jump that fuse, and then I will check a wire and jump the fuse. So I will check if it is working perfectly. So dear followers, we put another fuse in the place. So now we are going to check if the microwave is working. So I'm going to plug it. Alright. Now the microwave is working. So in the second video, I will show you how I can check inside of the microwave. Thank you so much. Bye bye.